Quickly, Cheap Computer Kid 1416 here, and today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I'm not usually one to make audio type videos, but this is something I've been working on a lot lately, and I thought some of you guys might find this interesting. After watching VWest Life, Techmo, and a couple other of those type channels on YouTube, I've become inspired to create a hi-fi system here in my bedroom, that I can run all my audio through. So, and this is the end result. Starting off at the bottom with the CD player. This is a 5-disc changer, the Sony CDP C325. This has actually been in my family for years. We got this in, I guess, the early 90s sometime. I believe it was manufactured in 1990. And we had it in our family for years, and we finally got rid of it in, I believe, the mid-2000s sometime, when we upgraded to a similar DVD changer. So, and I just kept it ever since. So this is actually what inspired me to make this in the first place, because I had it sitting in my closet, and I'm like, well, might as well get use out of it. So, yep, it works pretty well. You can see I like the display there. Kind of hard to see at this angle, but yeah, it's actually a very nice CD changer. Next up, we got the Sony TC-FX120 cassette tape deck. Sorry, I couldn't talk there for a minute. This is a very simple cassette deck, but it gets the job done very nicely. Like I said, it doesn't have anything like auto reverse or anything like that, but you know what, I kind of prefer that, to be honest, because as you guys may know, if you watch a lot of those videos like I mentioned earlier, a lot of people don't like those more advanced features because they tend to break over time. Auto reverse in particular tends to wear out over time. So a lot of people would tell you not to get a deck with those advanced features, and this is a perfect example of that. It's nice and simple, but gets the job done. So, and it sounds really nice. I'll be demonstrating that later. And finally is the receiver, a Sony STR AV220, manufactured in 1990 also, I believe. So this is all very era appropriate. I forgot to mention the deck was made in 1992, so all from approximately the same era. But yeah, it's a very nice, again, very simple, very basic, but it gets the job done. I've currently got video input, which is my main computer. I've got, of course, tape, CD, tuner, which I'm glad that was a commercial, because otherwise I would have gotten caught for copyright there. And phono, which I don't have a record player. Instead, I have a Bluetooth adapter hooked up to that. So yeah, anyway, yep, like I said, very simple, very basic. Now let me take this off the tripod, and I'll show you the speakers I've got hooked up to it. I've got 2 sets of speakers, both of which I got as part of one set at a thrift store, actually. The first are these on top of my bookshelf. And then the next set is here on my desk. So I got one there, one there. It's not surround sound per se. This system does not support that. But it's what I guess you could call simulated surround sound. Just simply the same thing coming out of 2 sides of the room. So, yep. I'm very, very impressed with that. I got them for literally $1 each at a thrift store. So pretty cool find there. And the rest of the stuff I got off eBay, by the way. But yep, so I thought I'd just go ahead and demonstrate everything real quick. Now, unfortunately, I can't show off the CD player because it does not read CDRWs. And I didn't want to waste a CDR just for one simple song. So, and I, of course, can't show off any pre-recorded CDs. So, yeah, so I won't be able to show that off, but take my word for it, it does work well. For the tape deck, though, I actually can show it off right quick. I've got a blank Type 2 Chrome tape that I recorded something from the YouTube audio library. So it'll be YouTube safe. So here's the tape there. Let me go ahead and... Yep, so let me go ahead and hit play and you guys can hear how it sounds. Change the input, of course, that would help. see the peak audio meter there. It's got a physical counter, which, let me turn this down real quick, which works, but it's a little inaccurate. I'd say it's about 3 seconds or so to a second, but not like I ever need that anyway. It's just kind of there, I guess. Tripod there. Yep, so that sounds pretty good, and that's actually with Dolby off. Let me turn Dolby on and you'll hear the difference. Let me do that one more time. That's with it off. And now I'm going to turn it on. Yep, so that's about it for that. See, as you can see, even with Dolby off, it sounds pretty good. You know, like I said, maybe a very basic deck in terms of features, but it actually sounds really good, so I'm very impressed with it. Alright, so that's just a very quick look at the new hi-fi system I've got here in my bedroom. Like I said, thought some of you guys might find this interesting, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and now Instagram if you can, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.